Hello! Today I will show you how to set an alarm on your Samsung phone. Just follow these simple steps. So find the clock app, go to the alarm tab and find a plus icon, tap on it and you have created a new alarm. So set the time, here you change the hours and here you change the minutes. Set the specific days you need the alarm to repeat. Also, you can set the name and change the sound or a vibration. Also, here is a snooze option to delay for a couple of minutes your alarm. And when you're satisfied with the result, just tap save and make sure that the toggle button is blue. This means that this alarm is enabled and it will work at the exact time and date it was set for. And that's it. Now you know how to set an alarm on your Samsung phone. So if this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.